Alright, explain what it means to say that the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the left hand side equals 3, and for the limit of the function f of x as x approaches from the right hand side equals 7. Alright, so what side is what? This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side, right? And this is our x-axis. X-axis right here. This is our y-axis. Okay. So it says let the function f of x exist so that we can make the function close to L. Alright, so first thing we need to know is that we have a function, so we gotta let it exist. And so how we bring the function close to L, which stands for the limit, these pink numbers, is that we gotta bring it closer and closer and closer, like this, as you can see by the graph, and over here too. That's where we're heading to. L is our limit, the pink number. That's our y-axis. And so on the left hand side and right hand side, by moving x close to 0, so we're going close to 0, thus giving us the following answers for our limit: 3 for the left hand side and 7 for the right hand side, as you can see right here. So all we need to do is bring our x closer and closer and closer to 0, as you can see right here. So we're going to have something that looks like this, and we're going to have something that looks like that for our function getting closer. Alright, so the second part says, in this situation, is it possible that the limit for our given function exists? Explain. Well, let's take a look. So we got this portion of our function that's closed. So we have a closed interval right here. And then we have this portion of our function that has a hole for this interval, which is the interval of 0. Alright? And so the question is asking us, is this possible that our limit exists? And so it does not exist, because in order for our limit to exist, it needs to follow this definition. And so here, I'll write the definition right now. And so the definition says that our limit, so right here, our limit from the left hand side has to meet up with the limit from the right hand side to exist for the limit. So I'm going to repeat that again. So the limit from the left hand side, so I'll write it up here. So this means, what does this mean? Left hand side has to meet up with the limit from the right hand side. So it will say something like this. It won't equal each other. Actually, it will equal each other. It will equal each other. It will look like something like this. So it will equal each other like this. It looks something like this. So let's keep going. And as you can see, this just means symbolically the left hand side and the right hand side. So they need to equal each other. And so if there was the right hand side was leading up to 3, it equaled 3, right? Let's say this equals 3. Then in this situation the limit exists. But since it does not equal 3, the limit does not exist. So just keep that in mind. That's really important. If you guys enjoyed the video, I would like if you guys could like the video and subscribe. It would mean a lot. So thank you and goodbye.